Road.
That's not a cow, that's an ostrich.
You want to get some pictures while we're here? Because this is an exit only.
She's right! It is an ostrich!
Right in front of us, baby. Yep.
That's an ostrich. Oh, look at everything.
Yep.
It's like wild animals around here.
Hey, there's a real ostrich over there. Roll up your
Am I
window.
going the right way?
I don't know.
It said exit only back there. And roll up your window, Dad. Mama!
You gonna get it, Dumbo? You too little beauty. What the heck is that?
It's an emu.
Run
It's
that,
an emu.
run that thing over.
Notice something. Look, there's a goat behind us.
Are you sure this is the right way?
That's what it said. Exit only.
Come over, Ball.
All the other cars are going the other way.
Yeah, we took the road.
Hey.
Here come the animals.
Make sure your window's rolled up.
Oh no!
Oh no. Oh, Dad, roll up your window. This is weird. Dad, roll it up. Dad, roll it up. Roll it up. Roll your window up. Just keep driving. Keep driving.
Roll your window down, Trevor.
Like, keep it moving.
No.
What?
Come on in.
Come on.
Come on.
Look at this big guy down here.
Holy mackerel.
Hopefully he's not.
Are we? We're totally going the wrong way.
This said exit only.
Maybe since this was so invested with animals.
They're freaking out. Oh, they expect you to have food.
He's looking at us. Look.
Get that deer out of the road.
Daddy, give him some.
No. Because I'm the one who has
See,
to.
they're gonna chase us down. Look at those cars.
That is not what I expected to be here.
It's not.
Big pigs over there.
There's big horn things coming up down here.
We're totally in the
There's
wrong area.
horses dragging people around.
She said, follow this gravel road down around to the right.
To the right, and you went left. That horse carriage is coming this way.
Baby, what do you want me to do?
I don't even know.
Turn around? Oh, shit. Sorry.
Roll up your window.
I don't know which way to go.
I'm scared.
I'm turning around, guys. Hold on.
You freaked out? Me. What you gonna do, Gumbo? What you gonna do?
Maybe it meant exit only.